Hi, today we are looking at the top 5 best table saw for small shops in 2023. I have made this list based on quality, blades, accuracy, portability, motors, prices and more. I have included options for many types of consumers. Check the links in the description if you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned. So let's get started with the video. Number 5. Makita 2705. A good table saw is an essential tool for any contractor or carpenter, whether you're a garage or basement carpenter or a pro. Makita is well known for making some excellent power tools, and their table saws are seldom rivaled in terms of quality of workmanship and ease of use. Perhaps the finest feature of the 2705x1 is the right extension table. With this extension fully extended, you can easily rip a full sheet of plywood, something almost unheard of in portable table saws like this one. The extension is sturdy enough to support the plywood, too, which is nice when you are short-handed. Another nice feature is the depth of the blade, making it easy to cut through 4x material in a single pass. To check the details, please click the link in the description. Number 4. Hitachi C10RJ Table Saw. The C10RJ 10-inch job site table saw features a 15-amp motor with 4,500 RPMs, and is engineered for rip sawing and cross-cutting of ordinary wood, hardwood, plywood and composite wood materials. The fold and roll stand is designed with sturdy legs for easy setup and breakdown, providing stability while in use. The stand also incorporates wheels to ensure the user can maneuver through tough terrain with ease. The C10RJ features soft start, an electric brake and a large working table size with telescoping table extension that can support a max rip capacity of 35-inch to the right. Capable of a 3 1/8 cut at 90 degrees and 2 1/4 cut at 45 degrees. This user-friendly table saw is an ideal choice for any workshop or job site. Number 3. Rockwell RK7323 Blade Runner X2. Easy folding stand for convenient storage, quick setup and portability on the job site. Rubber hand grips on each end of the table allow you to conveniently carry without stands. Unique base design allows for adequate tool storage on the job site. Heavy-duty 15-amp motor with soft start, large telescoping extension wing provides a wide 25-inch ripping capacity. Unique dust shroud design enhances dust and chip removal. Aluminum extruded rails ensure a square fence. Quick lock fence slides smoothly and locks securely for accurate cuts. To check the details, please click the link in the description. Number 2. Bosch 4100-2009. Bosch is a household name when it comes to both appliances and power tools, and the brand is known for its high-quality products. Fortunately, table saws are no exception, which is why I have decided to review one of their more popular models. The Bosch 4100-2009 table, which includes a gravity rise stand. Bosch is right up there with DeWalt when it comes to the quality of their table saws, so this particular model should be a great addition to anyone's workshop. It's packed full of useful features and gadgets that not only make your work easier, but also make sure the quality of your work is top-notch every single time. Number 1. DeWalt DWE 7485WS. The DeWalt DWE 7485WS is an excellent portable table saw. It's heavy, but the rolling stand makes it easy to transport from job site to job site. It sets up easily, holds its accuracy, and is more than capable of powering through even the toughest woods. This table saws with some great specs and capabilities. Personally, I would choose the DWE 7485WS because it comes with a stable, all aluminum stand as well as transport wheels, making it easy to move around. Once you are done ripping large pieces of material, you can retract the telescopic fence in order to transport the unit, or to make more room in your workshop. Take a look at Amazon.com's price on the DeWalt DWE 7485WS table saw if you're interested. Check the links in the description if you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned. I will try to keep it updated for the best prices. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped you out, please give the video a like and hit the subscribe button. I hope to see you guys in the following video.